The last process of getting the plants to our customers is the actual shipping. I go to my local newspaper and get old newspapers free, so I use those to wrap my plants in. This holds down the cost of shipping for me. Just rolling the roots in that, rolling it under, placing it in your priority box, which you get free at the post office. A little extra packing on top to make sure that there's no movement of the plant. I'll put the invoice in before I ship it, paid invoice. Also, I have placed a delivery confirmation in case the plants do not arrive when I expect them to. I can track it. And a certificate of inspection. I always highlight perishable plant material, do not delay, in hopes that it will get my plants there faster. Also, my return address label is placed on, and then the address to the customer will be put on. If it were hot weather, I would poke holes in the side of this box, but since it's still fairly cool, I won't do that at this time. And when this is all finished, it will go to the post office and on its way.